हेलो एवरीवन, मैं बालक स्वागत करता हूँ आपका क्लासिस समाचार और हम पर। यह है करंट अफेयर्स का पार्ट 2। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं शिद्दत के साथ। फर्स्ट, आलोक वर्मा इज अपॉइंटेड एज अ चेयरमैन ऑफ हरियाणा पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन। सेकंड, धर्मचक्र परावर्तन दिवस इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर बाय B.R. अम्बेडकर। थर्ड, उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार ने अनाउंस किया है कि वो सेटअप करेंगे ग्लास रूम फॉर वुमेन ग्रीवेंसेस। Fourth, chairman of Samsung company Lee Noo-hee passed away. Fifth, Gujarat Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the world's longest temple ropeway recently. Sixth, South Korea has topped the global mobile internet speed ranking recently. Seventh, Bangladesh has announced no mask, no service policy. Eighth, the Jogendar War Memorial has been inaugurated recently at Bumla in Arunachal Pradesh. Ninth, Flipkart will buy 7.8% in Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. 10th, CBSE School Board has recently introduced face recognition system for students of 10th and 12th. एक और एक 11वीं न्यूज़। Recently passed away Mahesh Kumar Kanodia was a famous musician. 12. In Delhi, Indian Army Biennial Commanders Conference recently started. 13. Bangladesh country has recently demanded $500 million in assistance for the World Bank for COVID-19 vaccine. 14. Recently water supply scheme have been inaugurated on the border of India and Myanmar country under the Jal Jeevan Mission. 15. Uttar Pradesh has recently secured first place in the PM Atmanirbhar Fund scheme. 16. Pakistan country has recently placed in the grey list of FATF till February 2021. 17. Lewis Hamilton won the Portuguese Grand Prix 2020. 18th. Recently ICICI Bank has closed its operation in Sri Lanka. 19th. Odisha state government has instituted the Sunada Saman. 20. 27 October is celebrated as World Day for Audiovisual Heritage. 21. In Andhra Pradesh, the Bani festival has been celebrated recently. Recently, Hero MotoCorp has partnered with Harley Davidson Motorcycle Company for the Indian market. 23. Recently, NASA Space Agency Sophia aircraft has confirmed the water on sunlit surface of the moon. 24th. Recently passed away Jasomati Nanda Das ji was the president of ISKCON Gujarat. 25. Uttar Pradesh state government had decided to set up a anti-human trafficking police station in each district. 26. Alpha Code has been elected as president of Geneva for the third time. 27. Japan country has recently set a target of zero carbon emission by 2050. 28. Recent Plastic Premium League tournament we played in Indore. 29th. Samsung company has topped Forbes annual list of best employees 2020. 30. According to the recent report, who has emerged as the most trusted human brand in the country? First, Akshay Kumar. Second, Anupam Kher. Third, Amitabh Bachchan. Fourth, none of these. Answer this in comment box. 31st. Who has launched cloud communication platform recently? That is Airtel.